Hey guys, it's Cami and welcome to my video. You guys, I always do a bonus question whenever I'm doing a giveaway. The current giveaway is linked down below if you're interested. For the bonus question, if you want to enter the bonus, you don't have to. It's just for fun. Let me know in the comments down below which video you would like for me to film. So I had so much fun doing this soft glam look. Everything that I mentioned in the video, guys, is going to be linked down below wherever I can find it online. So go ahead and click down below if you are interested in checking out more about a product. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing this soft glam look, then stay tuned. Hi guys, and welcome to the video today. This is a good old-fashioned soft glam makeup tutorial. Soft glam is a look that is kind of full face, but you can wear it anywhere because it's not over the top, and you can also wear it to a holiday party. Traditionally is an all matte look, and in the 90s it became really popular. And I have some goodies here on my desk that I'm very excited to try out. Some of them are a little bit older and some of them are brand new. For my face, we're just gonna start out with a lip balm. And this lip balm I used before. I think I used it in my last video. This is the Neutrogena lip moisturizer. It's SPF 15. This is the like Norwegian formula. I'm also going to be using the Caudalie Vino Perfect serum. This is a radiance serum. Never used that before, but I really like Caudalie. See how this does. And this says you can use it like morning and night. So, and also I'm going to be using the Trader Joe's Enrich moisturizer. This is the Trader Joe's Enrich moisturizing face lotion. It's got SPF 15 in it. Okay guys, so that is it for my base for my skin. I've got a moisturizing product on, sunscreen, and a serum. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my primers. This is the Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot primer. I love this primer. It works so well. I'm going to be using a few different tones of like shades of brown and maybe orange or red. I haven't decided which one. Let's take a second to do the shout out for this video. So Samantha Prado has commented. She says, "Hi Cami, I'd like to see your full glam on a big night out look." Okay Samantha, so that look is totally coming. I don't know if it's going to be like the get ready with me for Christmas or if it's going to be the New Year's look, but it's going to be one of those. So I'm very excited to be doing that video for you. Thank you for your comment, Samantha. I really appreciate you. Hey guys, so I really could not finish the look that day, and this is a whole other day, so I probably sound a little bit different. It's a different time of day. I probably have a little bit more energy right now. So again, you guys, I primed my eyes with the One Heck of a Blot primer, and I need to set that. So I'm going to go ahead and use the same eyeshadow palette I was using. This is the Dose of Colors DESI and KATY palette. You guys, these colors are so pretty. I still haven't done a look with that blue down there, that one. Oh wow, it's so pretty. But I'm gonna go ahead and set the primer on my eyelids with this color right here. It looks super natural. It's basically like the tan color on my skin here. So I'm gonna put that over the primer. Today I'm using a new blending brush. I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. blending brush that I got most likely from Ulta. Okay. So, ooh, it's soft on my forearm. And this color is called Churro. Yeah. All right, so now I'm really just going to do windshield wiper motions back and forth, back and forth. All the nudes you use on your eye today are supposed to blend seamlessly, so it's okay to bring the color into the inner corner of your eye. So I'm just gonna dab and bring it on down. Whatever you put in your crease and you blend up towards your brow bone, this color is going to do so much of the work for you. So you really want to make sure that you do a lot of blending, spend a lot of time here. And blend it on into the brow bone here and onto the very top of the nose. And I'm really just like dabbing a little bit, and maybe just because it's the shape of my brush and I don't want to use another brush at the moment, Okay, so I'm done with that color. So now we're gonna move on to cutting the crease just a little bit, and I'm gonna do that on the lid on the inner 1/3. For that, I'm going to take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is the color Medium 26. So when I put the concealer there and then I look up, it allows the concealer to stamp where I should have the top of the concealer. This is my Real Techniques smudge brush. Alright, this brush is so small. I love it because it's getting right in between the lines and literally making them, it's just marrying the lines. Ooh, very nice. Alright guys, so the color I decided to put on top of the concealer, it's this color right here. This color is called Necessary in the palette. I'm going to go ahead and put that on top of the concealer. I'm realizing that this video is going to go up before a video that I just shot, and in that video, which is after this one, I say I'm doing a cut crease for the first time. I shot that video before this one, but I just did a cut crease, and this video is going to go up before that one. So when you get to that, never mind. I'm using my Wet n Wild crease brush. I love this brush so much, you guys. I'm going to go ahead with Churro, and I'm going to go ahead and blend this middle edge right here because the look should be seamless. But this third color is going to come from the MAC Art Library. I think I'm going to use this color here. It's called Fan the Flames. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this color, guys. Yes. Today I'm using the Essential Oils Facial Cleansing Wipes. They're like with aloe and seaweed. So I'm going to take my M506 brush. This is by Morphe. I've been loving it a lot lately. I'm like exploring brushes still, but you guys, when I was looking for brushes, this one and that Wet n Wild crease brush that I'm probably going to use again to seam the two colors together that I have right here later, they have been my go-to brushes. So I'm just taking a tiny bit of this color. Oh, look how pretty it is. And it's going to come off a little bit deeper on my eye than it does look like it will, but you'll see. So I'm just taking that into the corner and I'm patting, so I want to be very careful. And the goal is not to cover up the darker brown that I already have there. It's just a complement. So now I'm using this crease brush. Even though it says crease brush, I'm using it just to blend everything really because it's big enough for my eye space. You can do whatever works for you, windshield wiper motions or circular, just to go and diffuse the colors up and out. Now I'm taking a little bit more of Churro and I'm just going to go over all my edges again with this color. This is the best color to take because remember, it's my base color. So if anything, I want more of this. So I want to make sure that I am able to wipe away any eyeshadow fallout that I might get when I put eyeshadow there. So I'm not going to do the bottom until we actually finish complexion, which is like foundations and powders throughout here. So what I'm going to do right now is take this bronze Kylie pot. So I have this came in like, I think it was like an eyeliner gel liner duo. You guys, this color is so pretty. I'm taking it and I'm just going to line the top of my lashes here. This look is supposed to be matte, guys, but it is December and I just want my skin to look more healthy underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and use this Hello Halo highlighter. You guys are probably like, highlighter with a soft glam look. You guys, yes, it can be done and I'm going to show you how to do it. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello Halo highlighter and the color is called Go With The Glow. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this all over my face. You guys are probably like, oh man, Cami, how is this soft glam? You'll see. This is the perfect sponge. I do have like beauty blenders. I have, I think, e.l.f. sponges, but this one is by Real Techniques, and this is called this Miracle Complexion Sponge. Comes in this packaging. Guys, I love using this sponge. So it is wet. Is this look too shiny for a soft glam look? All right, guys, so basically I'm faking super extremely healthy skin. So if you are a girl with normal skin and you maybe live in a humid climate and you're thinking, I cannot pull off the matte look, keep watching. Yes, you can. Whew, this smells so good. You guys, I'm locking this in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. So where'd the sun go? I'm gonna turn this light back on. For foundation, you guys, I'm using two of my faves. Well, one of my faves, it's two colors. This is Classic Tan and Caramel Beige. Yeah, this is the 24-hour Infallible Pro Matte Demi Matte Finish. Where did it go? Where? What is doing a makeup video without getting all my product on my clothes? I don't know. Okay. Ooh, I'm very excited about this, guys. My foundation has been pressed in. I'm gonna go ahead and do my concealer and also give that time to dry before I put on any of my powder products. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Medium 3 called Praline. In the 90s, the noses weren't so snatched. Like when you look at pictures of supermodels, like you could see that not everyone had like a super straight angular nose. But because it's 2000s, I'm going to do that. I'm taking the blending brush by e.l.f. that I was using earlier, and I'm just gonna go ahead and connect. I'm gonna connect my brow bone to the natural contour of my nose, and all that color that I was using earlier is still on this brush. So this is the beginning of me using powder product to set anything that might be shiny on my face. I haven't used this in so long. You guys, this is my Revolution Lace Baking Powder. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set the concealer that I just put down. And I'm taking the flat side of my brand new Real Techniques sponge, and I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp the powder here and place it on the areas where I mostly have concealer. An important thing for me is right underneath the eye. That's usually where I start stamping because I don't want anything to crease under there before I get to it. I get oily in my T-zone, guys, and more on my cheeks than my chin. So I go ahead and I put powder here on my high cheekbone, and I also put it on my nose, and I'll just dab a little bit in the other places on my face because we want everything to end up being very matte. I'm going to go ahead and take the color I had, this color. I'm taking the NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Shine eyeliner in the color Golden Bronze into my waterline. I don't feel bad using my finger below my eye because I have all this powder down there, so I don't feel like it's gonna mess up the matte look of the rest of my face. So now I'm ready, guys, to take Churro into the bottom of my eye. So I'm taking my Morphe Spark bronzer, and I'm going to go ahead and just follow the traces of the dark lines on my face. So this is good for my nose, and this is also good for the bottom of my lip. And then I like to take like a bigger angular brush, and I go ahead and I dip in like that. Wow, that's a lot of powder. And then almost like I don't need blush, but I still want that monochromatic brownish look, I'm just gonna take this on my cheeks like that. And I realize like I don't need a ton of this, so I'm just taking a little bit just around the perimeter of my face where I would naturally be darker. I'm gonna take it cheeks up to my forehead. Now it's time to wipe away my setting powder, guys. So I'm gonna start here on my forehead. All right, guys, so I have a little bit more eye work to do, but before I even get to that, I'm gonna set my face again because this look should not become sweaty at all. It should stay matte. All right, zooming you back in. Okay guys, so my current eyebrow routine is still the same. So I'm gonna link that video down below. I did a whole separate one. Check that out if you are interested in how I do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do them off camera and then I'll be right back. Hi guys, I'm back. So I put my hair up into a kind of 90s hairstyle with my suede tan scrunchie. I think it's super, super cute. And I've got my hair in these like really big, like loose waves, which are kind of in right now. I did them with my deep waver. My eyebrows are the color deep brown. They're from the e.l.f. Instant Lift Eyebrow Pencil. This is the one I use. This is the one I love. It comes with a spoolie on this side so you can like brush through the brows. And then it comes with the crayon on this side and it just rolls up. You guys, I love this. Go ahead and check out my brow routine if you're very interested in how I do my eyebrow shape and how I fill them in and how I like measure them to get them to be as even as possible. Okay, so now that my brows are on, I'm gonna go ahead and put on mascara. This is the NARS CLIMAX mascara. And I'm not close up on my face anymore because I kind of want you to see how all the colors are coming together. I was thinking of using the JCat Beauty Tapered Lash Tips. This is EL33, but I think instead I'm gonna go ahead and use the EYESHADOW Wispy. These, they don't seem like they're gonna cover up any of the blending that I did on my face, so I'm gonna put these on. So I'm gonna get to my lips, but first I'm gonna do blush. I'm going with a peach blush. I really feel like peach is gonna be so pretty just on top of where I have bronzer. So this is my Wet n Wild Color Icon Keep It Peachy blush. And I'm literally just going to tap on the balls of my cheek this color. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Right in the front. Oh, that's so pretty. And then bring it back. I keep tapping my brush off on my desk. That's what that noise is. And then just to tie in all the colors, I'm gonna go ahead and just sweep it over wherever I have bronzer. Okay, and then I'm gonna lock everything in place one more time. So in the 90s, like a classic brown lip was like everything. Like this color was everywhere. So what I'm gonna do is just line the outside of my lips with this. So this is the NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lip Liner, of course, in Downtown Beauty. I am so sorry, guys. I don't think you can get this color anymore. You might be able to find it on eBay. This is the MAC and AALIYAH collection. Oh my goodness, she has this color called Try Again, you guys. I was gonna add a gloss, but I'm not going to. Look. Don't forget, you can also stay in the peach and red and purple tones and do a soft glam look. I'd love to see what looks you guys are coming up with. Please tag me on Twitter at CamisCosmetics if you are recreating a soft glam look. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, guys. I upload videos over there, and also on Instagram. All of my user handles are called CamisCosmetics. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.